Le Centre Georges Pompidou, an epic building of Paris. The Centre Pompidou originated from an idea to make a structure for cultural arts that was presented by President Pompidou in 1969. The original plan was to build a major public reading library and rehabilitation of the National Museum of Modern Art in Paris. The center included activities as a center of contemporary art, which displayed the exhibits of contemporary art in the museum. In 1970, Pierre Boulez added a center of musical creativity composing. The center itself was inaugurated on January 31st, 1999, and then opened to the public on February 2nd, 1970. After it opened, it became a huge success. It became a world-popular cultural venue and one of France's most visited monuments. After 20 years of opening and having welcomed over 150 million visitors, the center was put under work again. During the extensive work that started in October 1997, they added over 100,000 meters squared of surface area. The work was again completed on December 1999. After the improvements were made, the center opened again on January 2000 The two architects that built the Centre Pompidou are Richard Rogers and Andrew Walker. The Centre Pompidou and the use of glass and steel is compared to the gray iron technique. Interesting fact: the building uses color-coded pipes, each for various reasons. The four colors that are used are red, yellow, green, and blue. The red pipes are for transporting humans, so basically escalators and elevators. The yellow pipes are used for circulating electricity throughout the building. The green pipes are used for circulating water, and the blue pipes are used for air conditioning throughout the building. Another interesting fact: the building looks unfinished from the outside, but it actually is finished. And that's why people can see the different color pipes from the outside of the building. And here's an exhibit and a general overview of the inside. And this is a map of where the Centre Pompidou is located in Paris.